Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make banga jollof rice with spinach. Can I call it fish banga jollof rice? This was so delicious, guys. So now let's get to the ingredients, and I want to say check the description box below for all the ingredients. Okay, so here I have my already made banga stew, onion, not cubes, some salt, rice, fish, and the oil that I extracted from the banga stew. If you watched it, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to parboil my rice. You know the quantity you want. I'm not going to be measuring rice for you guys. Just measure the quantity you want, okay? Just parboil it. So while the rice is parboiling, here is the oil I extracted from that stew that I made. So add it in your pot over the heat. Add your chopped onion. Allow the onion to saute for a couple of minutes. And this is to help to warm up the taste of the banga, okay? So now I'm adding a few spoons of that banga stew into the onion, and I'm going to stir them and allow them to cook for about 5 minutes, okay? So I'm going to throw in my pepper. You can blend the pepper. I just want the warmness of the pepper. So now I added nut cube. A little bit of salt will go a long way as well, which I'm going to be adding later. So stir everything together and allow that to continue cooking for another few minutes. So here is another 5 minutes. The sauce is cooked. Now I added the deboned fried fish. Like this fish, I fried it. You can choose not to fry yours, okay? You can choose to boil yours with salt, onion, and pepper, and just debone them and add it into the stew, or you can use dry fish, okay? So now I'm going to let that cook for 2 minutes, and here is after 2 minutes, guys. And now it's time to add our rice. So add your parboiled rice into the stew and go ahead and stir everything to make sure that they are well combined, okay? So after stirring them, I'm going to add just a little bit of salt. Don't over salt it. Now I'm adding hot water to be at the same level with the rice. This is how I love to cook my jollof rice, because it helps to control the water inside your rice. So I'm giving them a quick stir, and after that I'll put the lid on and put the heat on the lowest heat. So this is after 10 minutes of the rice cooking. I just open it to give it a quick stir. After then, I'll put the lid back on and allow it to cook until the water is almost dry, which is now. So the rice is cooked to the consistency I want. So I'm just giving them a quick stir around. So make sure if the water you added at first is not enough, go ahead and add another little water inside. So the water is almost dry, and here I'm adding my spinach into. You can use any vegetable of your choice, okay? So I choose to use spinach. So I'm going to put the lid on and allow that spinach to soak in down for 2 to 3 minutes. And guys, here is our rice. The rice is cooked. You can cook your spinach for more time, but I don't like to do that. So I'm just going to give them a quick stir. And guys, this rice was so delicious, like delicious, guys. You need to give it a try. It's kind of another taste of jollof rice, and the fish flavor inside was so amazing. You need to give this food a try. You can also add scent leaf inside, okay? I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. God bless you. Bye.